What's up, guys? This is Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today, we're going to talk about Covenant Eyes. First, a few stats. 90% of teens and 96% of young adults are either encouraging, accepting, or neutral when they talk about porn with their friends. 1 in 5 youth pastors and 1 in 7 senior pastors use porn on a regular basis and are currently struggling. That's more than 50,000 U.S. church leaders. 64% of self-identified Christian men struggle with porn. Covenant Eyes is an accountability software that monitors and reports internet usage. The goal is to help you quit porn. Why should you quit porn or protect yourself from pornography? Pornography has damaged my life and lots of my friends in ways you can't imagine. First, I'll start with physical. It damages your brain itself. You're not taking a drug, but it works the same as taking a drug. It contributes to more impulsive decisions so that you're not able to have as much self-control as you would without porn. Also, it can contribute to social anxiety, and it also leads to hopelessness and never satisfies because it's empty and meaningless. It's just a fantasy. It almost drove me to suicide and other things. Let me explain what the software does. God sees what you're doing at all times, and the goal of this software is to bring in more accountability in your life. Without counsel, plans fail, but with many advisors, plans succeed. Proverbs 15:22 ESV. This awesome tool sends screenshots to your accountability partner on what content you've been looking at. If it shows something inappropriate, it notifies you about that. Also, it is helpful that it somewhat blurs the screenshot to make sure the person who's getting the emails doesn't get triggered. I, Aaron Honer, have been using this software for over 2 years, and it's completely worth the money. It also blocks lots of pornographic websites for further protection. You can choose for your accountability partner to get emails daily, 3 days per week, or weekly. I normally choose daily. Covenant Eyes was started almost 20 years ago. As of 2018, Covenant Eyes has been named by Inc. magazine to the Inc. 5000 list of the fastest growing companies 7 years running. I've struggled with porn, and it's definitely helped me with my journey. Don't wait another day stuck in that shame, misery, isolation. Porn really kills love. Get 30 days free of Covenant Eyes by using the link in the description.